guys. Good afternoon. I'll just get something in Alansari today. I need to pay something. So I need to get the money. See? I don't even change my clothes. I'm lazy to change my clothes. That's why. Just wearing the house clothes. I'm going to the exchange today. The sun is hot, but the wind is cold. See? Hi. To cross the road, I need to put this down.